How to make $1,000 a day the smart way. Imagine making $1,000 a day without working a 9-to-5 job. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll show you real strategies that people use to make $1,000 daily, even if you're starting from zero. Share a quick personal success story or mention real-life examples of people making $1,000 a day. I've tested these strategies myself, and I know they work. Let's get into it. Go over 3 to 5 proven ways to make $1,000 per day. Each section should explain what it is, how it works, and how to get started. 1. High-ticket freelancing, $100–500 per client, scalable. Skills like video editing, copywriting, or consulting. Platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, or personal brand outreach. Land just 2 $500 clients per day, and you're there. 2. Selling digital products, courses, ebooks, templates. One-time effort, passive income potential. Platforms, Gumroad, Teachable, or personal website. Sell a $50 product to just 20 people daily, and you hit $1,000. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products through YouTube, blogs, or TikTok. Choose high-ticket affiliate programs, $100–500 per sale. Even with just 2 to 3 sales a day, you're hitting $1,000. 4. Drop shipping and e-commerce. No inventory, automated fulfillment. Target high-margin products, $50 to $200 per sale. With 10 to 20 sales a day, you're at your goal.
5.
Stock market and crypto trading, day trading, or swing trading strategies. Risk management and how to avoid losses. Even small daily gains can add up fast. 4. Call to action. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Encourage subscribing for more money-making strategies. Offer a free resource, e.g., download my free guide to making $1,000 per day.